Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a device with Android 13 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find reset options, and as you can see on the first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. And here our device is informing us that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and the Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on reset settings. Your device is informing you also that you cannot undo this action, so tap on reset settings again and wait a second until we will see the information just like here. What's more, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Android 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.